your way forward. We're gonna tear this bitch apart tonight. We got Joel Kosha from Collective Soul, Troy Patrick Barrow from White Lion, Hunter Adam from the Gibbs Brothers. My name is Brandon Gibbs. Let's burn this place down. It's gonna rain some whiskey. This old town is going down, but leave it up to me. See, I haven't seen a smile around, so I'll tell you what we need. Rouses Point, we need a refrigerator and a stereo. Come on, let's get it back to the shit we know. We need to lose a tie and give ourselves space where we can let go and enjoy the damn place. Rain, some whiskey. Rain, some whiskey. Get your hands in there. It goes like this. This old man, he drove home, you see, traded his life just to be alone. He's got a pretty little lady who knows it's time to put the good on hold. You take the ride, rain, some whiskey, rain, some whiskey. The girls are shy, the boys are staying. Let's get the place juiced up and leave the chairs. We only live once, that's all we need. Let's get the place